Today I take you to two different dollar stores in my area to find inexpensive items for my soap room. I like to browse these types of shops also for inspiration, like packaging ideas for special projects and such. You can find gift bags pretty much in every dollar store in around here, very inexpensive and good quality as well. I love these organizing boxes for small items, so you can keep a good overview. Here is a more elaborate version, great for piping material, for example. In here you find these designer paper blocks that are amazing if you are making your own gift bags or gift boxes. As you can see, they come in different variations and are also great to make personalized thank you cards or similar things. You can also find pieces of fabric if you want to make your own soap bags. And all types of small craft items that you could use to embellish your thank you cards or similar, or gift boxes or packaging. Like these puffy, springy stickers here, very cute. These sturdy gift boxes are a great idea to elevate a gift and super practical for people who are not good in wrapping gifts. The person receiving the gift can reuse the box for something else, which is a bonus. Here you can also find gift boxes that are suitable if you want to make a gift to a gentleman. There are also very large ones, like you can see here. Adding a tissue paper inside the box is a great idea. Over here you can find Fimo polymer clay that you could use to make your own soap dish in just a few minutes, like you can see here. I will leave the link of this video in the description box if you're interested to see. Boxes are a great way to keep your soap room well organized. There are many sizes and styles to choose from. Very irrelevant, but how cool is this oversized highlighter and this pen here? This is a very good offer for 15 euros if you like colored felt pens. In Switzerland, jute twine is very expensive and not used for packaging anymore, so this one is a very affordable version for 1 euro. This is nice if you want to make your own soap bag. These transparent toolboxes are a great storage item and I use them for a variety of things. A small pouch with anti-stress features. A glue gun, always very super practical, not only for the soap room. Notebooks come in many variations and I love to take notes and work out things in paper form still. Bins and buckets also help minimize confusion around your space. Here you have the bigger plastic boxes with the lids. I will show you my personal favorites in just a moment. Let's move on to the kitchen department. These shelf dividers are a great storage solution and perfect for curing soap due to the airflow that it provides. You find some measuring cups here as well. And among the knives, there is this super special offer for 10 euros. Really not bad. This is something interesting if you are piping on soap tops, for example, like cakes or similar. It's basically a cake turning table. And it's very affordable as it comes for 5 euros only. This is an interesting gadget, a so-called tube squeezer. Never seen that one before. Some stickers saying handmade with love, great for samples for example. Potato peelers to bevel soap edges, and up here a cake tool that could be used to add structure to a soap layer. Or texture to a soap layer, I should say. Also, how cute are these bags here? Down here is a spice organizer, but it could be a great idea to store pigment bags or other botanicals if you keep them in plastic bags. Ice cube trays are a great idea for embed molds. And this cute display for 15 euros if you have markets or just as a display. I absolutely love these kitchen roll holders as they are super practical when you are in the heat of soap making and you can't beat the price for 4 euros. In my opinion, airtight containers are great to have if you need to store like salts, botanicals, or even melt and pour embeds. In such shops you can usually get a large variety of different Tupperware type containers, but also small or medium type baskets to help staying organized. Something I like to keep on my packing station are these small waste baskets. I really do need a bin, not too big, but around this size here. We will see what else I can find. These displays, wire baskets, are also really cool for shows or as a shop display. These squeeze bottles are the perfect size to premix pigments. I use it mostly to mix my titanium dioxide with water. The lid is super practical. You can't lose it also. I will get 2 of these. Here are wooden and bamboo type cutting boards, very affordable. Did you know that bamboo is very easy to keep clean and super eco-friendly? Some people like to store their ingredients in such glass jars, very pretty and very Pinteresty, and here you can find a good variety of such glass jars, even the airtight ones. I definitely need a clock, and one that I can see very clearly because you know, when you get older your eyes don't get really better. I have fallen in love with this type of industrial style. Check out the exposed light bulb. This clock here is very clear to see and super good price for €5. Here is a silicone brush for smaller items, very practical if you're dealing with bottles with small necks, for example. And this combo here is super handy for fast cleaning on the go. I have one like this as well. Let's head over to the next dollar store. This one here is more stylish while still in the same price range or even lower. I love these metal containers with its designated content. Another possibility are again these vintage looking glass containers. Super affordable, they all have a kind of mason jar look to it, I love it. Here again the metal types. This bonbonniere, or I don't know how you call it, looks super expensive and would be a great packaging idea for bath salts, for example, as a gift or as a special edition, anything like that. Other types of glass containers with a wooden lid. And then there is also a variety of bale jars, also very cool if you're making, for example, sugar scrubs or some types of small bath truffles, etc. And check out how cool this pink bottle, and imagine it filled with nice bath salts with botanicals in it and a nice label. This specific store has these amazing plastic boxes where the lid is attached to the box itself and cut in half. This is the type I have because it's super user friendly. Other types of boxes and bins over here. I'm also going to grab one of these rolls here for an upcoming project. Another type of bamboo cutting board, very thick and affordable. Regarding the waste baskets, I still don't know which one would be the best for my needs. In my town we have the designated waste bags that come in different volumes, for example 35 liters and 60 liters. So the waste bin needs to accommodate that volume, so to speak. Moving on to the kitchen department, these cake spatulas are amazing to smooth out soap tops. This scoop to scoop out ingredients are great. Just make sure you get a relatively sturdy one, unlike these ones here that will break more easily. And for €2, check out, you get a full set of measuring spoons. For $1.99, a full piping set to start with, why not? Cake stands and doilies, very good for a display, for soap cupcakes or for your soap photography. And for only €8 you can purchase a small scale. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and if you're interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!